Hi. This was supposed to be a live section, right? But because I wanted it to be easier for us in a way that will not will not be pressurized, we're not going to be under pressure while learning. So I decided to put it this way as a video to upload so that you can download or watch at your own time. Remember to take your attendance. Yes, that is very important. Now, previously we've learned about project management. I've taught us what management is all about, types of project management. We've gone a long way to discuss Scrum network and from Scrum framework. We've gone a long way to discuss agile project management, and then last week we talked about lean principles. So today we're going to be looking into a topic titled Kanban method. Now I'm going to make it simple, and please, I want you to go through this over and over again as many times as possible to ensure that you equip yourself, you prepare yourself for the exam. Don't forget, we have few weeks to go. What is Kanban method? What is Kanban? What is Can pronounce it as Kanban? Can you pronounce it as Kanban? Kanban. Yes, Kanban is a visual system used to manage work as it moves in a process. And this is also designed to help teams visualize their workflows as well improve efficiency. Let me take us back to agile principle as one of the type of project management. You know, when we talk about agile principle, we're talking about how not to do things in the traditional method, but in a modern way. Now we talk about Scrum framework, like a short period of project, a project that is planned within a sprint period of time. I don't know if you're getting me. Now we talk about Kanban method. Kanban method is a visual project management approach that help teams manage workflows and as well improve efficiency. Kanban method also uses what is called Kanban board, typically divided into columns, and each of these columns represent different stages, like different stages of a project, such as the project you are about to do, like to do projects, the project in progress, like the one that is in progress, and the ones that you have completed. So it enables you perform better than when you are using traditional method. This Kanban we're talking about has various principles, and one of these principles is this: it visualizes work. This board help teams see the status of a task at a glance, like within a glance. Just once you look at it, you will be able to know the status of your task without thinking much. This board helps you eliminate stress. Then another of the principles of this Kanban is that it limits work in progress. When we talk about limiting work in progress here, by setting limits on the number of tasks in progress, teams can focus on completing tasks before setting new ones.
It's very important you understand Kanban board or before using the practical tools. And the objective of this course is for you to be able to collaborate and communicate in utilizing Kanban for better team collaboration. And then number two, basic of Kanban, overview of Kanban, setting up Kanban board, how to create and customize a Kanban board for personal or team use. 3. Workflow management, techniques to manage tasks, prioritize and track work progress through the board. Now let's talk about some of the best Kanban board apps. Number one is Trello, a very popular and user-friendly option with customization options suitable for project management, task tracking and personal project. We have Mint, which is number two. It has free version, it has paid version. We'll be using Trello for our practicals. Talking about the Mint, which is number two. Like I said, Mint has features including budgeting, expense tracking, credit score monitoring, and financial goal setting. We have Zoho Expenses, which has a free version and it offers a free plan that concludes expense tracking for up to 3 users. We have Expensify, which also has a free version. It offers individuals with expense tracking and receipt scanning. We have Good Budget here. It's a free envelope-based budgeting app that allows users to track expenses and create budget manually. We have Asana is an ideal for team collaboration with Kanban board, timelines and reporting features. It's a great app for complex project management. And we have Jira. Jira is tailored for software development teams with advanced Kanban features, including tracking progress and managing workflows. We have Money Manager. This one is another one with an open source expense management tool that offers features such as budgeting, financial reporting, and investment tracking. All these things are can still be called expense management tool. We have Microsoft Planner. This one does not have a free version, but it works well with the Microsoft ecosystem and integrates with other Microsoft tools like Teams. It's a straightforward and effective for tax management. And we have ClickUp. This one is an all-in-one app offering Kanban board, Gantt chart, and a lot of customization suitable for both small teams and larger organization. And then here we have Wine App. This one offers a 34-day free trial that allows users to track expenses, create budget, and manage finance with a zero-based budgeting system. We have mondayday.com, known for its visual layout. It's a good choice for managing projects though. We still have Splitwise. Splitwise is free for managing shared expenses and splitting bills among groups, which is great for roommate and collaboration. So another great tool you could use for expense management aside from Microsoft Excel is QuickBooks. It's a popular accounting software that is widely used for managing expenses, generating reports, and simplifying bookkeeping tasks. Here are key reasons why a project manager needs all these tools. Number one, it helps to minimize human error. These tools help reduce common errors such as miscalculation, duplicate entries, or incorrect categorization. It has automatic calculation. Tools like Excel, Mint, or Specify automatically calculate totals and apply formulas, ensuring accurate expenses. It is good for expense reporting. Are you getting me? It has automated expense reports and is good for time saving. We have it will help you for instant alert and notification. These tools can notify users about upcoming expenses, budget thresholds, or discrepancies, which enhances monitoring efficiency. It has multi-user access. Project management tools often allow multiple users to collaborate in real time, meaning project managers can work seamlessly with other team members or departments on financial tasks. Then it enables cloud access. Many tools operate in the cloud, allowing you to enter and access data from any location where you are, which is especially useful for remote workers. Here are the practical things. I will be sending this as a PDF so you can be able to use this link to access some of this app. Meanwhile, we'll be using Trello for our practical because it has a mobile version. Now let's go there. These are the app that you can use for your Kanban board. So as you can see, this is Trello here. This is Expensify. This is Project Plan 365. And this is Money Manager. There are lots of them that I've already listed, which I've already listed there. I have clicked on that Trello app. It has opened. And it will show me this interface where I will have to click on create account. Once I click on it, they will send me an email. And I will have to go to my email, open mail app to verify the email. So once I verify it, the email to bring me to this place where I will have to input my username and my password and then click on continue. So this is the place they will be logging me in, and you just enable notification, give permission where necessary, and then it will bring you to this place. This is the full dashboard. You have to choose if you are using a team or solo. Now I want to use solo. Create your first Trello board. Now I have clicked on that. This is the place it brought me. It's not left for you to choose between business, design, education. I'll scroll through. You will see engineering, you will see marketing, you will see HR operation. You will see so many things. Those things I'm using the arrow to indicate. You will see personal, you will see product management. So now it's going to depend on what you want to create a board on. We are working on project management, so you will be looking for project management. So here is project management. I will be clicking on this project management because it's what we are working with. I have clicked on it now. It will now take us to the place that will be creating the board. See all the samples, all the templates. Then click on create board. That place the arrow is pointed. It will now bring you to this place where you have to put your the name of your board. That's I'm using product management as the name of my board. This is your workplace. I'm using my email as an instance. Then you choose if it's private or public. I am choosing private. Then you start listing all the things in your all your items. I'm using tab here, and then you still choose add more. You keep listing according to your task or your project. Alright, see what is happening here. I imputed salary, so they gave me option to choose if it's going to be member. If I see choose member, I should write the description, the label, and all that. This is a simple tutorial on how to create your Kanban board. As you can see, it's a visual representation. This is the work done. This is the current sprint. I told you people, and then you will now see your work in progress. You will still, once you see your work in progress, you will still the one on hold according to the way you organized your task. So this is the essence of the agile board, the essence of the Kanban board. It will enable you track your work, track your expenses. So there are a lot of apps. There are so many things to do by yourself. So at your own time, just explore the app, explore the software. It has system version, it has mobile version. So I'm using the mobile version to show you this. This is where you can zoom in or zoom out, and that will be all for this video. If you have any question, ask at the comment section.